Signs of an unhealthy gut. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel where we dive into all things about health and wellness. Today we're talking about something that might not be on your radar, but is incredibly important, your gut health. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is this gut microbiome everyone's been talking about? Well, it's basically a fancy term for the little guys living in your intestines. We're talking about bacteria, viruses, and fungus. Believe it or not, each one of us has about 200 different types of these critters in our bellies. Some of them aren't exactly good for us, but a bunch are actually super beneficial for our overall well-being. Studies have shown that having a diverse range of bacteria in your gut might lower the chances of developing certain conditions like diabetes, inflammatory bowel disease, and psoriatic arthritis. How does the gut microbiome affect your health? The way your gut works and how it impacts your entire well-being has become a major focus in the world of medicine. Over the years, researchers have discovered that the health of your gut is connected to various crucial aspects of your overall health, including your immune system, mental well-being, and even serious conditions like autoimmune diseases, gastrointestinal disorders, heart problems, and yes, even cancer. Having a rich variety of bacteria in your gut seems to be linked to better health. While scientists are still working on unraveling all the details, it's becoming more and more apparent that your gut health has a say in just about every aspect of your health and happiness. Maintaining a healthy gut is crucial for overall well-being. However, various factors in modern life can disrupt the delicate balance of your gut microbiome. High stress levels, inadequate sleep, a diet rich in processed and sugary foods, and the use of antibiotics can all contribute to an unhealthy gut. These disturbances can, in turn, impact critical aspects of your health, including immune function, hormone regulation, weight management, and susceptibility to certain diseases. It's essential to pay attention to potential symptoms that might indicate compromised gut health. Here are 7 common signs that you should be mindful of. Number 1, upset stomach. One of the primary indications of an unhealthy gut is an upset stomach. Various stomach disturbances such as gas, bloating, constipation, diarrhea, and heartburn can all point to an imbalance in the gut. When your gut is in equilibrium, it can process food and eliminate waste more efficiently, which typically results in fewer of these uncomfortable symptoms. Number 2, a high sugar diet. Consuming a diet that is high in processed foods and added sugars can significantly diminish the presence of beneficial bacteria and diversity in your gut. Studies have indicated that this reduction in healthy gut bacteria can potentially trigger heightened inflammation in the body, which in turn may serve as a precursor to various diseases, including cancer. It's essential to be mindful of the impact of dietary choices on the delicate balance of your gut microbiome and overall health. Number 3, unintentional weight changes. Another potential sign of an unhealthy gut is experiencing unintentional changes in weight. If you find yourself gaining or losing weight without making any changes to your diet or exercise routine, it could be a signal that your gut health is not at its best. An imbalanced gut may hinder your body's capacity to properly absorb essential nutrients, regulate blood sugar levels, and efficiently store fat. In some cases, weight loss could be linked to difficulties in nutrient absorption due to small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, SIBO. On the other hand, weight gain might be associated with issues such as insulin resistance or heightened inflammation. It's important to be mindful of these indicators and consider how your gut health may be influencing your body's weight regulation mechanisms. Number 4, sleep disturbances or constant fatigue. The quality of your sleep and your overall energy levels can also be influenced by the state of your gut. Research from trusted sources suggests that an imbalance in gut bacteria might be associated with issues such as disrupted sleep patterns and persistent fatigue. This could potentially lead to the development of chronic fatigue over time. While the exact cause of this connection is not entirely clear, it seems to be linked to factors such as inflammation, metabolic function, and even mental well-being. It's crucial to recognize the potential impact of gut health on your sleep quality and energy levels, and consider how this might be affecting your overall health and vitality. Number 5, skin irritation. Your skin's well-being could be closely tied to the composition of bacteria in your gut. Certain skin conditions, such as psoriasis, might be linked to specific types of gut bacteria. When there's a decrease in the presence of beneficial bacteria, it can affect your body's immune system. Consequently, this imbalance may pave the way for various conditions that can impact different organs, including the skin. It's important to recognize the potential connection between your gut health and skin conditions, and to consider how addressing your gut health might positively influence your skin's health as well. Number 6. Autoimmune conditions. The intricate relationship between the gut and the immune system has been a subject of extensive study. An imbalanced gut might contribute to widespread inflammation and disrupt the normal operations of the immune system. This, in turn, could potentially trigger the onset of autoimmune diseases, where the body's defense system mistakenly targets its own tissues rather than external threats. It's crucial to acknowledge the significant impact that gut health can have on the immune system and its role in the development of autoimmune conditions. Number 7. Food intolerance. Experiencing difficulties in digesting certain foods could be indicative of food intolerance. It's essential to distinguish between food intolerances and food allergies, with the former arising from challenges in the digestion process rather than an immune system response. Studies suggest that issues such as lactose intolerance might stem from an imbalance in gut bacteria quality, making it difficult for the body to digest certain foods. This struggle with digestion can result in a range of uncomfortable symptoms like bloating, gas, diarrhea, abdominal pain, and nausea. Furthermore, there's emerging research suggesting a potential link between food allergies and gut health. It's important to be aware of these connections and how they might be influencing your body's response to different types of food.